BS is a fun multiplayer card game where players bluff and try to get rid of all their cards before the other players. To start the game, deal out all of the cards between the players and choose one player to go first. The first player must play one or more aces face down in the center of the playing area. Then, the player to their left must play one or more twos. The next player must play one or more threes. The next player, one or more fours, and so on. Players must announce what they're playing out loud to the rest of the group. For example, if a player plays one ace, they would say, "one ace." Since the cards are played face down, players can lie about what they're playing. For example, if a player needs to play a 4, but they don't have any 4s, they could lie and play a 5 instead. If a player thinks another player is lying, they can say BS and check the cards. If they were right, the player who lied picks up all of the cards in the middle. If they were wrong, they have to pick up all of the cards. Play continues clockwise until one player gets rid of all of their cards and wins.